Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper on a Thursday, the 24th, yes, December the 24th, 2020. We have here one regular Sudoku, and it's Thursday, not Saturday, because on Saturday we have also these kind of Sudokus with yellow boxes, big squares. No, it's Thursday because tomorrow on Friday, the 25th, it will be Christmas, so no newspaper. And the day after Christmas, we have the second day of Christmas, Boxing Day, I believe. No. On Saturday we don't have a newspaper on Saturday, so this will be only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and there's also on this page a quintuplet. I've promised not to do this anymore, the quintuplet, but let us see. Maybe we have more time to solve, and I believe there is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. So let's see how much time we have to solve, and this one will be a number 2058. Yes, 2058. All right, and I've already counted the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars in additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. I see here in this row 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 2. We see here a 5 and a 2 in this big square, so no 5 and a 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes are left in this row for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7, we see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. And now, let me see. We have an 8 in this row. 8 in the row above. I need to sneeze. Apologies. Sneeze again. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then let me see. How about 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for a 5 should be there. 6. We have a 4 in this row, a 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for a 7 should be here. And then let me see. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. In the row above the middle row, we have a 3 over there. So in that row, the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then. The 2, 9, 2, 9 and 8, 2, 9 and 8. All right. Yeah. All right. 3, 3. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 4 and this should be a 6. All right. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So on the last row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in the last row. The 2 numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Then these 3 numbers should be the 2, the 9, and the 8. 298, 298, 298. That means the other 2 numbers in that row, 298, 298. Should be the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 298. 692 also. All right. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, all right. 2 and 8. 3, 3. Yes, 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only place for a 6 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 2 and a 9. These 2 numbers in the middle column should be the 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and the 8, 2, 8. Yeah, the 9 should be here. 8, 8, 6, 6. Yeah, we have a 6 here, so no 6 in this box, in this big square. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6, the 8 is missing, and the 2 is missing. All right. 6, 6, 6. Let me see. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. All right. 9, 9, 1, 1, 1, 3, 7. Not easy. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 6 will be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 9, 9. Okay, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 2 boxes left, the 6 and the 2 are missing. 6 and a 2, yes, let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 6. Then how about 2 and the 8? I need an 8. So the 8 should be here. 8 should be there. 8 should be here. 7, 5, 5. Yes, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle columns, and the column next. The only place for a 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and 9. Let me mark those numbers, 2 and a 9. So the 8 should be here. 2 and the 8, 2 and the 8. 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. We have a pair, 5 and a 9 in this row. 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes, 5 boxes. So the 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair with the 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9. All right. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for an 8 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 6 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this middle row for the numbers 2 and 1. 1, 2 and 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 and 6, 3 and 6 are missing in the second column. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 6. Then 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for 3 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. 2 and a 9, 2 and 8. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes here. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, I believe. No, 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be the 4, and this should be the 1. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 8. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 and the 9, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 2. We have a 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later. Bye bye for now.